Yo guys, Codelife here. So in today's video guys, I thought I'd do a second video of a series I'd like to call Improving Fortnite. Now that isn't the final name guys, I am still thinking of a proper name for it. But in this series guys, it's basically me showcasing a bunch of different suggestions that in my eyes would make Fortnite a better game overall. The first video I did in this Improving Fortnite series was one about an in-game crosshair customizer, which I will have a link to that in the description below if you haven't seen it already. That video though, that did do quite well, and I thought I'd do a follow-up video today on another suggestion that I would like to make. And yes, it is another in-game setting. The in-game setting that I'd like to see Epic Games implement into Fortnite is a setting called Reset Edit on Release. This would work exactly how it sounds, which is whenever you do an edit and you want to reset that edit, which all of us do, you'd simply just press your Reset Edit keybind, like right click for example on mouse, and the game would automatically reset that edit without the need to confirm it. In Fortnite right now guys, it doesn't work like that. To reset an edit in Fortnite, it currently works like this. You have to press your edit keybind, then reset the edit by using the Reset Edit keybind, and then you need to confirm the reset manually by pressing the keybind again. In total, that's 3 whole steps you need to make in order to reset an edit, which you guys know that is a lot of steps to take to do something so basic. Now, if Fortnite were to add this Reset Edit on Release option setting on screen right now, this would completely simplify the entire move down to 1 step. For real guys, it would take that 3 steps that you'd have to do previously down to just 1 basic, super easy step. No joke guys, all you'd have to do in order to reset an edit automatically is turn this setting on. This would then make it so all you have to do is literally just press your Reset Edit keybind once to reset an edit. Like, it would be that simple, and just imagine how good that would be guys. I know most of you are probably watching right now and thinking to yourselves that Codelife, we already have this in the game technically, and it's called Scroll Wheel Reset. And yes, you all would be true. Us mouse and keyboard players, we do have that option, but for the controller players out there, they don't have that option, and that in my opinion is very bad and unfair. I think they do have some sort of option to it, like to a degree. From what I've heard though, you do need some macros to set it up, and when you do set it up, it's nowhere as easy as literally just scrolling on your mouse wheel in order to reset an edit like us on mouse and keyboard do. It is besides the point really though guys, as if Epic Games were to implement this in-game setting into the game, it would make it fair on all platforms, not just on mouse and keyboard. I'll say this right now, us on mouse and keyboard, we are very privileged to have this scroll wheel reset trick. Like, I straight up take it for advantage every day. Like, it's just so seamless whenever you do want to make a reset on your edits. But at the same time, I do want Fortnite to be a fair game for everyone, and right now, in my opinion, it's far away from that for a number of different issues. I'm not saying it's because of this issue right here. In fact, this issue is probably near the bottom of the list. There are far more important issues than this one. By me though suggesting this issue for Epic Games to implement and somewhat fix the fairness issue, it is a good step in the direction of making Fortnite a better game overall. Like, that's essentially why I wanted to start this series guys, as each suggestion, bit by bit, we can overall make Fortnite a better game, which really that is in all of our best interests, as we all love the game and we all want it to succeed, to be better and better. The only way we can really make this game better is us as the community and us as players of the game do actually speak up about the current issues in the game and the disadvantages. It's the only way that Epic Games will know that there is indeed a problem, which will cause them to see it and hopefully fix and address that problem. But yeah guys, the suggestions right now are a bit scattered. Like, I know they aren't really that important, but I do hope to get to some more important ones and better suggestions in the future. There are a bunch more that I'm thinking of guys that can really make this game next level. I just hope that Epic Games do eventually see all of these episodes and they make the game what we all want it to be. If you guys yourselves have any suggestions or issues with Fortnite going on at the minute, be sure to let me know guys in the comments below. I'd love to see what you guys want added to the game and what your problem with the game is right now. And yeah, that's all I've got for today guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Peace.